Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I feel like I have not talked to you guys just like in front of the camera like this in so long because all of my hair tutorials have been voiceovers. But girl, we are here to talk about this hair. Before we jump into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, girl. Join the fam, stick around for all the future hair tutorials to come, okay? So, baby, let's take a moment. Let's take a moment for this hair. This crochet braid hair, I mean, be for real. Just like be for real, okay? The hair looks so good, right? So it has been a month, 5 weeks, something like that since I've had this crochet braid hair in. And it's gorgeous, obviously, as you guys can tell. So let's go ahead and go back to the first tutorial that I posted on this hair. So I told you guys towards the end of the video that you do not have to cut this crochet braid hair out, that you can take them out one by one so that you can actually reuse it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be doing a takedown, showing you guys how to take them out. We're gonna be doing this together for the first time, girl, because I've never done it before, but I'm pretty sure I think I can figure out how to take them out one by one. And I'm also gonna be kind of talking to you guys about the style, if I would do it again, all that kind of stuff, what things I would do differently, all of that. So the first thing that I wanna do is actually just brush the hair out. I have my paddle brush right here, so I'm actually just gonna take out these bobby pins that I have. I told you guys that my hair is super duper frizzy. So I have been doing this kind of, you know, pinned back part, which has been working fine. I mean, it looks a lot nicer than this. Normally, you know, I actually like, you know, really brush it down and stuff for it to look good, but I knew I was gonna be taking this hair out today, so I wasn't trying to do too much. But yeah, that's basically the way that I have been wearing it. Now, if you don't have any problems with frizz, this is going to be amazing for you. If you choose to do leave out, if you choose to get 6 bundles, I told you guys in the previous video that I have 4 bundles installed. If you want to do a full install and not have any leave out, you're going to need 6 bundles. Otherwise, you just won't have enough hair to complete the look. So I would definitely recommend that you get 6. But I like having the leave out, but I want it to be, I want my hair to, it's not that my hair doesn't blend, my hair blends amazingly. It's just that my hair is frizzy. So I am planning to get a keratin treatment sometime soon, hopefully, within the next like month or 2. And then after I get the keratin treatment, I'm going to reinstall this hair because that's just how much I love it. So what I want to do is just go ahead and find my hair and separate it. Okay, so now that I have clipped up my hair out of the way, let me zoom in a little bit for y'all. I am going to start by trying to remove them one by one. So I'm hoping that this works because I really want to reinstall the hair. And it's looking like it does. Okay, first one is out. So when I take it out, I wanna just brush it and then lay it down because I don't want them to just be all over the place. So basically all I am doing, seems pretty simple. So this is the part in the front. So the pieces in the front, you guys know, only do not have that like eye-tip part, like the part that you would find on a microlink. It just has the hard section in the middle. So basically all I'm doing is just kind of trying to get my finger under that and pull it out. Honestly, I did not have any problems at all with slipping. No slippage at all. None of them came out. Like no problems with it at all. So although this might look semi-easy to remove, none of them came out on their own. Okay, I am struggling a little bit right here. I mean, I'm sure that you can get them off, but I know that, I don't know, I guess it can also depend like how you install it as well will determine if you're able to actually get it out. So I'm gonna try, because I really do want to use this hair again, but let's see. Okay, you guys, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. The first two came out pretty easily, but I'm struggling right now trying to get the rest of these out. You guys, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. I believe that you can reuse it, but I guess it's all about the way that it's installed, and I don't know that I will be able to get all of these out. A lot of it, like, see, like it's getting all tangled up, and I don't know about this. And also, this is a super tedious process. So this is not something that you can just do like really quick. You're definitely gonna have to take your time. I know that this style is definitely on the expensive side because it is human hair. And honestly, I would not be taking it out right now if it was not for my leave out. My leave out simply does not, it does what it can do, but like I said, it's very frizzy. So I have actually only put heat to my hair one time, which was when I styled this hair 5 weeks ago, right? That was it. And then I did go over just the tiniest little section right in the middle of my part, I think like last week. But other than that, I have not put any heat to it. So I definitely could wash my hair and install this. I definitely could wash this hair, wash my leave out, and then blow dry, flat iron my hair again. But there's a chance for heat damage with that, of course. And then also, it's really just like a waste. Like the hair it just simply, you know, my hair is just frizzy. So I'm tired of wearing these two sides pinned back, you know, like that's working on my nerves. That's not the look that I want. I want to be able to, you know, wear it down like it's supposed to be. So this hair can definitely last you a very long time. So if you get this style, then just know that when you get it, you're gonna wear it for like 2 months, okay? And then, or maybe even 3, girl, because you can wash this while it's in your head and then, you know, wash your leave out, blow dry and flat iron that again and wear it again. So what I'm noticing is the ones with the eye tips are coming out a lot easier than the ones that I installed without. So the ones with eye tips, it's pretty simple to just kind of get your finger like in the loop and then, you know, pull it out that way. Pretty easy. The ones that I have locked on without that are really difficult to come out, but I'm gonna take my time or try to take my time, girl, because this is just a different kind of process. But there are some things that I want to talk to you guys about. So let's talk about my braiding pattern. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. So I parted my hair like this, 6 braids in the back, 4 on each side, leave out, and you guys know I have that perimeter in the back for leave out as well. I would recommend doing your braids even smaller than this. That's why I say even if you do want to do leave out, I would still recommend that you get 5 bundles just so that you can make your braids super small. And if you only get 4 bundles and you make your braids really small, you may not have enough hair to cover all of those braids. But the smaller the braids, the flatter it's going to be. So it looks fine when it's down. There's no problem with it down. But if you want to be able to wear it in a ponytail, you want to do a half up, half down, you want to be able to do a bun, which you can do all of that with this braiding pattern, but it looks bulky on the sides because the hair it looks bulky on the sides because the braids are bigger. So you definitely want to have smaller braids I say when I reinstall. I want to reinstall it. We'll see. If I can get it all out, then I'll be reinstalling it and you guys will see. But if I do, then I will definitely be doing my braids smaller. Instead of 6 in the back, I'll probably do 8. Instead of 4 on the side, I'll probably do 6. And I actually had the idea to do smaller braids, but because I only have 4 bundles, I decided not to, because I didn't think I was gonna have enough hair to be able to cover all of that. So I would definitely recommend that you guys do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue trying to remove these, and there is no particular way. This is not a tutorial of how to take these out. I really just wanted to see if I was gonna be able to take them all out and be able to reuse them. So that's why I wanted to do this video. But girl, you just gotta kind of feel around. Like I said, with the ones with the eye-tip part, kind of, oh, you can, the ones that have like the little eye-tip clamp on it, you can kind of get your finger in the loop and then pull it. For the other ones, you just gotta kind of feel around and see, girl. But I definitely recommend that the way that I installed it, like how I told you guys to install it when I did the tutorial, I still recommend that way, because like I said, none of them slipped out and everything, you know, like I didn't have any issues with any of them falling out or anything like that. So I definitely recommend that, but just know if you want to reuse them, you're gonna have to take your time, girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on, and then I'll come back and show you guys if I was able to get them all or not. I moved quite a few of them. So one thing is, make sure that you really take your paddle brush and get it at the root, so that any hair that's kind of like tangled up there, or like, you know, the hair is greasy as well. So make sure that you get the paddle brush really close, and then that can help to make sure that the top isn't tangled and it'll be easier to pull out. But okay, I am officially done as far as I can do. I've done what I can. So we have these pieces right here, not that much. These few right here, and then these like 2 right here. These are the only pieces that I just like feel like I cannot get out for whatever reason, so I'm really just gonna cut them out and move on. We're back. We're back. Throwback in action, period. Okay, so I'm getting ready to wash my hair, girl. The point of this video was honestly just to show you guys me taking out the, I was gonna say the clip-ins, the crochet braids. So I didn't end up like continuing to comb them out one by one, but I did try to just, you know, lay them appropriately so that I can put a little ponytail holder around the top, and then, you know, keep them like good and intact. So I'll wash them, deep condition them, all that, let them air dry and all of that to get ready for the next install. When I do it the next time, I'm gonna buy at least 1 more bundle, just so that I have enough, even though I am planning to do leave out the second time around as well, you know? But yeah, I'm really excited. I love the hairstyle, highly recommend it. Like I said, you can keep this style in for like 2-3 months if you don't have a problem refreshing your leave out. So yeah, girl, I mean, what do you have to lose with the style? Honestly, I feel like I'm trying to like sell it to y'all or something. I'm not. I think it's just great, and I definitely would do it again. It just really gives you that look of like tape-ins, micro links, clip-ins kind of style, but like super versatile as far as like the ponytail and all of that. Remember what I said about the braiding pattern and making your braids smaller, so that when you do want to do a nice slick back ponytail, you have that option. If you guys, once again, have not seen the first video, the tutorial installation part, I will link it in the description box down below for you guys. I might also put it in the card, so y'all can just click real easy. Able to go watch that tutorial. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go wash my hair, girl. We're gonna have a new hairstyle coming soon, so be sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, girl. If you like vlogs and y'all didn't know, I have a second channel, baby. I have 2 channels. So this channel is now completely hair. My other channel is vlogs, fashion, lifestyle type of content. I also started a podcast, girl. So if you are a spiritual girl on your spiritual journey, on your healing journey, and yeah, you know, the podcast is gonna be for you. So I'll link that in the description box down below for you guys as well. And that's all the announcements. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye!